brown butter based dark chocolate sea salt cookie.
Hi Rachel, I'm Maya.
And I'm Aria.
We are twins that cook.
We're women of many talents. I'm in music and Maya is in the performing arts as well. During the pandemic, the industries kind of shut down. We're both in the arts and we found ourselves just like home. So we made cookies and
We started giving them to family and friends.
And then before you know it, we have people we don't know like, hey, we saw that you guys, make cookies. We saw someone post it and we're just like,
What?
oh, like we can start charging now.
Ice cream shops wanted the cookies and
Coffee shops. That's when we really had that epiphany, oh, this could be a business. Today we're gonna be making our famous OG cookie, which is a brown butter based dark chocolate sea salt cookie. So first we're gonna start with our brown butter and we're gonna mix some brown sugar, some white sugar in. Then we're gonna mix that up. And next we're gonna do 2 eggs.
Yes.
And room temperature eggs usually
Always.
is what we like to do. And you want your butter to be cooled down before you throw the eggs in, just so they don't scramble. So let's do that, Maya. And now we're gonna pour the vanilla.
Vanilla is a perfect touch to any cookie.
And now we have the flour.
Yes,
Put
let's
the flour in. It's a flour mixture, so we have some salt, we have some baking soda.
Right.
Very simple. Next is the chocolate. We can't really say which type of chocolate we use. We have to keep some things to ourselves. But we do use a lot of chocolate chunks, some semi-sweet chocolate chips. But wait, before you do, I have to take a bite. Okay. Throw it all in there. And we're gonna mix that in. And we are done with the dough. Now we're gonna just scoop some cookies out. You can make them as big or as small as you want. I like to do them about this size.
About a table, a little over the table.
Yeah. We're gonna bake this at 350 for about 10 minutes. And we are done. This is the OG.
All we have to do is top it with some sea salt.
Let's
do
do
the
it.
honors.
Salve. Come on.
Salve.
This is how Maya tops it with sea salt. And I like extra sea salt. I love a salty bite with the, the dark chocolate and then you have the brown sugar.
It's delicious.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Thank you, Aria. Thank you, Maya. Woo! Chocolate chip cookies. Grab a snack, maybe a chocolate chip cookie, and we'll be right back.